Hello everyone. I'm Safi and I'm Sip and I'm Sal and I'm Four. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Safi and Sarah's Crafty Corner. Hello everyone. I got this Sparkle Pop bracelet station for Eid, and I just want to show you how to make these beautiful bracelets with glitter in them. So should I teach you?
Yeah, let's see what's in the box first.
Which way?
Let me have a look, I'm not sure. Going this way.
This way.
No. Let's figure this out.
Here.
Oh yes. Let's see what's in there and pop it onto.
Instruction sheet. Wow. Look at all of these. There's lots of glitter in here.
Oh, they're charms, are they?
Look, they're charms.
Oh, beautiful.
Look.
Beautiful.
Here's the instructions, and here's lots of bracelets, and here's some buckets to put stuff in, and here's the bracelet station. And I'll show you how to open them. You just need to pull.
Okay, let's look at this, shall we? Let's have a look at the glitters in there. Whoa, look at those. Lovely colours. Oops, not falling off. Sorry.
This is the lid, and it's to stop people from using it when you're not using it. You put it on the top. Step 1. Create Sparkle Pop bracelets. Place the funnel into the hole at the top of the station, then fill each wheel compartment with gems.
You've already done that, haven't you?
Yeah.
Well done, love. Next.
Step 2. Pick a gem color and spin the color wheel to line up the compartment with the station's lower funnel.
Okay, time to spin it. What colour do you want first?
I made this one, but I didn't really have. But I forgot to finish it.
Okay, let's finish it today, shall we? Okay, so which colour do you want after that lovely sparkly colour?
Pink.
Okay, cool. So line it up. Is it lined up yet?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now you do this. First, you've got to put this bracelet on. The bracelet on.
Brilliant. Well done. And then what? Oh.
And then you make sure that this is on tight. And then you do this, and then some glitter falls.
Let's see if it's a bit jammed, is it?
Yeah, it's jammed.
Sometimes it gets jammed. Maybe you could twist it a bit and see if that works. Oh, I can see it. Yeah, that's exciting.
And then you turn this like this.
Huh? Oh, let me see. I can't see. Oh, I can see them all being flushed in. Yes. So try and turn that again.
Sometimes it gets jammed.
A little bit jammed, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
It's jammed.
Yeah, you can pull it out again.
If it gets jammed, and pull the tube out and put it back in.
Wow, that's beautiful.
I'm gonna change the color now. colour do you think I should
Blue, I think.
put? There. I know what colour.
What?
No, not the pink.
So you're getting a different colour?
Mhm.
Good girl.
It's that colour.
Okay, just put some in then.
One more left. I did it.
Did you?
Yes.
Well done.
That's all the colours. You have to pull this out gently and then do this. But if you want any charms on your bracelet, you get one of the charms. You get one of the charms.
It's lovely.
Mhm. And you unplug it gently. And you put it on like this. And then you close it. Look at this, everyone.
Lovely. It's gorgeous. Let's see how sparkly it is. Stunning, love.
Thank you for watching. Bye, everyone. Close it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Bye.